Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Epson EcoTank 15000. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, scan and fax with this printer, plus option to print A3 plus from the rear media feed. So with LCD screen, which makes it easy to print without PC. It is easy to print from mobile phones, tablets, laptop using EcoTank with Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi direct option. You can also send document to print from smart devices using Epson iPrint. You can also connect this printer using USB cable connection. 250 sheet paper tray. Print speed 17 print per minute for black and 9 print per minute for color. You also have option for you to double-sided print with this printer. 35 sheet paper automatic document feeder. Printing speed, that's 8 print per minute for monochrome. This is with plain paper and 75G/M and 24 pages minimum color. Plain paper 75G SM. Duplex printing speed. Duplex printing 7 A4 pages per minute for monochrome and 5 A4 pages for color. Single side scan speed 5 IPM with ADF scan, 13 seconds with flatbed scanner. Single sided scan speed 5 IPM with ADF scan, 28 seconds with flatbed scanner. Optical resolution 1200 dpi by 2400 dpi, vertical and horizontal. This printer uses EcoTank system bottle included. Black yield 6200 pages, color yield 5200 pages. Number of paper tray 1, and the paper you can use with this printer: A3 plus, A3, A4, A5, A6, B4, B5, B6, C4, envelope, C6, DL, number 10, letter, legal, etc. Real paper tray, yes. So this printer is also compatible with Mac OS, Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows Server, etc. And also interface USB, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi direct. So you have a lot of options to connect this printer. Mobile and cloud printing, Epson Connect iPrint, email print, remote print, driver, scan to cloud, Apple AirPrint, Epson Smart Panel. So you have several options in terms of for you to connect this printer, and also you have 6.8 touchscreen panel. So let's check this printer out and see what is inside. So this is the information pack with CD-ROM that contains the software or the driver. Power cable, ink bottles. So it's using 104, black, yellow, cyan and magenta, and the bottles are made in a way that you are not able to put different ones to each other, so which is good. It's not that heavy. So from the back you can see the rear paper tray where you can load A3 paper or A3 plus. So this is the rear paper tray. So you load particular paper you want here. A3 plus goes in here. This is the ADF, automatic document feeder. This is the scanner, flatbed scanner. touch screen. You switch this printer on and off from this button. This button is the home. This is the paper casket. So this is what we have here. This is the unboxing. And at the back here, if you have any paper jam, you check this section for any paper jam. Just need to press the spring. Once you're done, put it back. Now take the power cable. The power cable goes in here. The port on the last button. The top one is Ethernet, and also on the side here you have USB cable port. So I'm going to plug this to the socket. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. I switch this printer on this button. Now I'm showing us Epson. So this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Thank you.